Hello, my dear students. So, how are you? Hope you are doing very well. Okay. So, today we are going to learn about the number system. What we are going to learn about the number system. So, first we write the heading number system. So, number system already we learned before that also, na sir? Yeah, I know. You are learning the number system from grade 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. But actually what happened na, you are facing one problem. Sir, you are confused with natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number. Sir, what is this? I know everything, but I confuse. How can I relate each other? So in today's class, we learn all these things very clearly. How can we relate each other? Okay. So first, we divide the number into two categories. One category is what? Real number. One is what? Real number, and second one is what? Complex number. Second one is what? Complex number. Okay. Complex number. Real number and complex number. So till 10th grade, we have to learn about the real number. Okay. Complex number we have to learn in grade 11th. Okay, so please keep in mind. So first we divide the numbers into how many category? Two category. First real number, second complex number. Now in real number there are the two family. Okay, one is Sharma family, one is Burma family. Not like that. Okay, one is what? Rational number. And other one is what? Irrational number. Yeah. So what I write here? One is rational number, other one is irrational number. Okay. So the parents who are watching this video now, kindly requested to please share with this video with your kids who are in currently grade 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is very helpful. Okay. And the student who are watching this video, please continue in this video. Okay. Because after completing this video now, all this confusion going to be very clear. Okay. So come with me. So rational number and irrational number. Okay. Now, sir, what is rational number? What is irrational number? So simple one. Sir, rational number means what? Any number in the form of P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. So I'm not going to write definition. I'm just writing here P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. So now tell me, sir, 3 is rational number? Yes, sir, but it's not in this form, na? So can we write here 3 by 1? Answer is same only, na? Okay, sir, now decimal form. Suppose writing 2.25. So is this we convert? Yes, we can convert into fraction form. How? We write here 225, and after decimal there are the 2 place. So we keep here 100 and reduce this, make this simplest form. So if anyone asks what is rational number, so how can you say in very simple word? Sir, we can say the number which in the form of P by Q. What I'm saying here? P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. You can say also A by B, where B is not equal to 0. Why? Because if P, Q and B is going to 0, na, so it make it undefined. Okay, we have to make it defined only. So this part is very clear to you? Yes, sir. Now, what is irrational number? Simple one. Sir, number that is not rational, so that is irrational number. So later we explain with example. So first we start with here rational number. Okay, because this have the no any type. This is the only one, but here few type there. Okay, so first rational number. So it start with which number? I write here. It start with natural number. Which number, sir? Natural number. Sir, what is natural number? Sir, counting number is called natural number. Okay. So counting number start with 1. Please remember, counting number start with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 till endless. Okay, so that is called natural number. So natural number is what? The number that start with 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called natural. So which is the smallest natural number? 1. Which is the greatest natural number? Sir, infinity. But when natural number come with 0, so it make the whole number. What it make? Whole number. So whole number start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay. So this is called what? Whole number. So how can we define the whole number? So natural number with 0, that is called whole number. Okay. So see, now all natural number are whole number or not? Yes, sir. All natural number, you can take any number. So that come in whole number category. Is all whole number is natural number? No, sir. All whole number is not going to be natural number. Why? Because it's 0. 0 is a whole number, but not a natural number. So we start like that. First natural number. After that whole number. Natural number is what? Counting number, sir. It start with 1. Now whole number, natural number with 0. That is whole number. Now next one, what it come? Integers. What it come? Integers. Okay. So integer what happens? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here -1, -2, -3, endless. So we can say that, sir, integer is what? Positive number, 0 and negative number. So it make the integers. So integers means what? Here positive number come, 0 come, and negative number come. Okay. So integer. Now if I ask which is the smallest integer, what I'm saying? Smallest integer. So that is negative infinity. If I ask greatest negative number, so positive infinity. But if I ask greatest negative integer, so that is -1. You know, in negative what happens? Greater number has the less value. Suppose that -10 or -1. Which one is greater? -1 is greater, my superhero. Which one is greater? -1 is greater. Hope you understand these things. Now next question for my superhero. -10 or -100. Which one is greater? Sir, -10 is greater. If I say 10 or 100, which one is greater? Then 100 is greater. But negative, a smaller number have the greater value. So this you understand? After this, first we start with natural number, then whole number, then integer. After integer what come? Rational number will come. What come? Rational number. So I make this box. So rational number, you can take any number like 2, 7/8, 3.25, 6. Okay. And here 22/7, √16. But in irrational number, can you give me example of irrational number? Yes, like √10, pi, 3.289321, there no pattern. So why like this, sir? Here, now concentrate here. √16 you considered as rational number. Now √10, why you considered as the irrational number? Because, sir, here √16, when we find the square root, we get here, suppose that √16, we get whole number, because 4 times 4, that is going to be 16. But you find the √10, it's not going to be whole number, it come in decimal. So the square root, where when you find the square root of any number, when we get a whole number, so that come in rational. But when we get in the decimal, so that come irrational number. Okay. Now check here. Here I had 3.25. Here 3.2589. So what is this? So this is 3.25 end. But it's not going to end. When we keep division, it going on. So like that, this is irrational number. Pi. So this is the some special word pi that we discuss when we discuss which chapter? Circle chapter. To find the area and perimeter, we have to use the pi. So value of pi is 22/7. What is the value of pi in our mathematical calculation? So value of this pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7, if you take this number, so this is rational. In many exam, this question I see. Many exam they are asking this question. So 22 by 7 that come in rational, but pi come in irrational. So hope you understand the number system. Now again I ask, now all whole number is integer? Yes sir. But all integer is not a whole number. So please watch this video 1 or 2 times and understand the number system. Now in next video what I will do now regarding this whole number. Whole number, there is the prime number, composite number, co-prime number, twin prime number, even number, odd number. These are the all part of whole number that we will discuss. Okay. So right now understand this one. So please write this also and understand and practice. Okay. So now we meet in the next class. So till then, take care. Okay. Bye.